What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Mark here with the Crypto Mark. Let's get into some Solana talks. All right. What is the road to the Solana ETF approval? What does it look like? Let's go over the key factors in this video, break down a little bit of the chart, and get you guys on your way. Solana, by all accounts, in my opinion, right, we've had Bitcoin, we've had Ethereum. Is Solana next for the next ETF approval? Let's hit it. Let's get down into it. As always, guys, please subscribe down below. Smash that like button as well, and let me know your comments on this topic. All right, and let's get into kind of what we're looking at. These are the key factors coming out from being crypto on a Solana ETF approval. I've talked to you guys a little bit about this with Ethereum. We've talked about it with Bitcoin. Are ETFs good? All right. Yes, the fundamental theory of ETFs are very positive, right? It's going to be more transactions. It's going to be access for a lot of users into crypto to get involved, to buy crypto that they normally can't do. Me and you, yeah, we have the ability to go and buy crypto in numerous ways. We're versed in it. We're skilled in it. We're used to it. But there's a lot of people out there. There's a lot of people that want to get involved in crypto that just don't know how to or want to have that responsibility. So the ETFs give people a very strong avenue to get involved without necessarily knowing exactly how to do it. So by that is why I like the ETFs. I don't like all the institutional involvement. It opens the door to manipulation. I don't like what BlackRock and Grayscale can do in terms of just having too much of that dominance and monopolizing kind of the markets. It's what I want to get away from in crypto, to be quite honest. All right, but let's get down into these key factors. Remember, guys, not financial advice. Please, though, if you do like Crypto Talk Daily, subscribe down below, smash that like button, and turn on that notification bell, okay? But this discussion about which altcoin will be the next to secure an ETF, it's getting stronger because, quite frankly, when it comes down to the whole security debate as well, it's kind of that loophole where you can get involved, you can have this activity at a price that's not really going to, like I say, deter people from getting into crypto. And price, when I say that, doesn't mean necessarily the price of the coin or the token, but necessarily it means the price, meaning like what it's going to cost you mentally in terms of function and stuff like that. It's going to be available, and that's what's key about these ETFs. That's why we need them. Okay, so let's get into it. Solana, the fifth largest market cap right now, $66 billion, a huge whale. A lot of people think Solana has a lot more room to run, but within its popularity, it is a key candidate for the next ETF. Now, there are a lot of hurdles along the way, so let's get into these hurdles, all right? But first, let's dive into the chart. You can see right now we've given back all of these gains. Solana is one of my favorite cryptos to kind of swing trade. You can see this by the volatility. I did a little bit of an analysis, and the three cryptos that I really got into, but just two in specific, is Solana and Injective. Just to get a little off topic, those are ones where I think that it really gives you the opportunity to trade very frequently and really lock in some profits, okay? But not financial advice, as I say in every one of my videos, guys. These are just my own personal opinions and how I treat my funds. Do your own research and due diligence. But this is the chart, kind of trading views incorporated into Margex. It's a very strong leverage trading platform. I'll get into that a little bit later. But like I said, we gave back a lot of the gains where we got as high as I'm sorry, 189. And now we've kind of settled right here. You can see this. I'll draw a little circle. This has all been given back, and now this green line is indicating kind of where we're at right now. And that's kind of the midpoint, the floor. And you can see what I mean by trading with volatility and swing trading. You could buy here, sell here. I'm sorry, you could sell here, buy here, sell here, sell here, buy here. It's very volatile. These are huge price swings, and that's why I use my trading indicator as well, because it really opens up the door for a lot of trading within Solana. But a lot of users have been using Margex to trade, and Solana is one of the cryptos that a lot of people do trade on Margex, down 2% on the day. But if you guys want to get into leverage trading, make sure you use my link down below. Get started with Margex. enjoy the copy feature trading on their platform, up to 100x leverage, and users have been gaining over 2,000 ROE. If you check out that copy trading feature within Margex, also register now to claim up to $10,000 in bonuses. Use my link down below to get started trading with Margex today. Okay, but back into the hurdles for the ETF approval. This is kind of what we're looking at. So rumors based on the CMA, the Chicago Mercantile Index, the exchange. This is where you saw the declination of them listing Solana's in a future fund. Okay, now according to the Bitcoin ETF analyst, the Bloomberg ETF analyst James Seifert, this is due to the lack of regulated futures market. Okay, that's a huge barrier that would take years to overcome. This is the quote that was from James Seifert. Based on current precedent needs, it will happen within a few years of getting a CFTC regulated futures market, but Congress and market structure bills like FIT 21 could make it happen quicker. That's why we talked about FIT 21 and how key that would be for crypto to overcome some of these hurdles. All right. Also, the lawsuits against Coinbase and Kraken, that's where Solana was classified as a security. That's going to be another obstacle as well. Okay. So a lot of industry skeptics are still in there, right? JP Morgan's managing director of global market strategy expressing doubts on the Solana ETF due to the SEC's stance on the status of various cryptos assets. And that's kind of what the key part of Ethereum was. It really opened the door for a lot of these altcoins to possibly get their ETF. Okay. And this is where I'm not even going to try to attempt to pronounce that name, but he says that we doubt the decision by the SEC to approve ETH ETFs is already stretched, giving the ambiguity about whether Ethereum should be classified as a security or not. Kind of what I alluded to a little bit earlier, okay? The SEC has a very strong opinion related to Ethereum, and that's kind of what we're looking at, all right? Current Solana-based financial markets, including the Grayscale Solana Trust and the 21 shares Solana staking ETP, which is kind of a loophole to have an ETF without really having one listed on European stock exchanges, right? There's a lot of other exchanges that do have similar products to ETFs, okay? But that's where Anthony Popliano said that Solana is going to outperform Ethereum moving forward. So that far he thinks is true, but he has not heard of any talk of a Solana ETF in the U.S., okay? Will Solana get an ETF in 2024? What we've seen is Polymarket stating that there's a 6% chance. Now, back in March, right, when the Ethereum talk was running rampant, that got as high as 50%. So there's a lot of regulatory challenges that remain. Solana, very hopeful. I think it would be very good for Solana. Give it some more substantial kind of clarity. That's something that we need to talk about. Having that clarity in the market, I think, is going to open up the door for a lot of crypto out there to run. But like I said, a lot of industry experts still remain skeptical about a Solana ETF. So we need to overcome those hurdles. That's a big step along the way. So make sure you guys all stay locked for more updates along the way. Solana, though, is standing out. I firmly believe they will be the next one to get the consideration for an ETF. Whether that's good or bad for Solana, time will tell. I told you guys my opinion, but I wanted to share with you guys some of these hurdles. So as we conclude this video, make sure you guys check out, like I said, Margex in the link down below. Get signed up with them today. Start trading if it's right for you. Do your own due diligence on that one. But thanks for watching. Make sure you guys all subscribe down below. Smash that like button, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.